auto road range. I got a 18-inch Viking with a 7-inch 6.5 Ultra. So it's a 5.56 rifle with a 6.5 Ultra can, standard MilSpec test. I'm just going to record it. I won't write anything down. On you. Go ahead.
Muzzle good?
Muzzles forward a little bit. Good. 134 and a half. 135. No, 134 and a half. 133. 132 and 3/4. 134 and a half. 134. 135 and a half. 134 and a half. 136 and a half. 134 and a half. 134 and a quarter. 132 and a half.
That's it. That's 10.
That's pretty good. That's a 18-inch with M180 ball ammo, right? Was it?
Yep.
Yep.
Ball ammo?
Ball ammo was it? No, 193 ball.
Yeah, 193.
193. 180 is 308. Sorry. Now 193 ball, 6.5, 7-inch Ultra on an 18-inch AR. You know, low to mid 130s. Pretty consistent. Sounded good. Signing off.